Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll try to understand on how do we get help on Excel. Yes, my videos are always there to help you out on what to do when and where to look out for a particular option when when you want to perform a certain operation. But Excel is self-explanatory. It gives you option of help at each context wherever you go in this entire space which is given to you. Yeah. So let me start by showing you where all you can get all the help options which are available in Excel. The first option that you can go to is go to File, that is your backstage view. On the right hand side upper corner, you will see a question mark here. Yeah. This question mark, if you click, it will directly open the help which is available for Microsoft. You can just directly go through this help section as in how you require. Yeah, you can just type, suppose I need help on word wrap. Yeah, and I'll say enter. It will give me all the needed help. So it gives me video, it gives me context for word help, it gives me a text section which will help me how do I do a wrap text. Yeah. So what I meant by saying this is, I can close this as of now. So you can click on this question mark and you can get whatever help you require regarding the Excel or any operations that you have to perform on Excel. Okay, now this is out of the Excel workbook that we are working on. Now let's come to the workbook back again. Yeah. Second option where you can search for help regarding anything that you're doing on Excel is here. Suppose I need help with charts. So you can go to tell me and just type, I need help regarding charts. And it will give you all the context which is available related to charts in Excel. Can you see here? You have smart lookup on charts. You can have insert statistical chart, any of the charts that you want to put. Or it recommends a few charts based on the data that you have as well. I want help on pivot table. Yeah. So it gives me help. What all things are available which I can do with pivot tables. Okay. So this is the second help that you have. That is inside the Excel workbook. That was outside of your Excel workbook where you can search for general topics regarding Excel. Here you can search for specific topics which you are working on in Excel. The third and the most important help that you get in Excel is by just hovering your mouse pointer on any of the commands. So if I go to wrap text, if I hover my mouse pointer on the wrap text, you can see there is a window that pops up. I'm just hovering, I'm not clicking. Let me show you once again. I'm just hovering, I'm not clicking on it. You can see there is a window that has opened up and it tells you certain short form of the short info about what you can do with that particular command. But it also tells you if you want to learn more, you can go to tell me more. And if you click on it, it will give you the subsequent information or a broader information about this particular command. Yeah, and it is available on everything. If you go on percentage, you see there is a short section that tells you what it will do. If I go to this center line, it will tell me center your content. It will center my content. Yeah, if I go to format painter, it will give me what all things it will do. And if I want to know more about format painter, I can always go into tell me more. Yeah, this is the third way. So the first way we saw was through backstage view. Second, we saw through tell me what you want to do. Third is through your context, yeah, which is getting more help. So this is a context help that you have regarding each of the command, which could be further drilled down based on the tell me more option that you get along with the pop-up. The fourth option that is more specific to any command or function. So suppose I want to do the total of, or I want to multiply the unit into unit cost to get the price. So what I can do is equal to, or I want to sum, let me sum, okay? I want to sum this to cost that I have got. So I'll say is equal to sum. Do not worry about the function as of now. I'm just showing an help how you can get regarding a particular formula. So we are talking about help right now. So this is the fourth form in which you can get help regarding a particular function, either it be sum or any other function, inbuilt function that is available in Excel. So as I type sum and put the bracket, you will find this option available. I can click on sum and it will open me the help for sum. Yeah, it is directly opening the, and here is the help that I could get on sum. Yeah. So as soon as you type sum, there is a small window that opens up. And after clicking on that particular function, you will be able to get the help or more broader explanation on sum. Yeah. So this is the fourth way. This is specific to getting help on the formulas or the functions that you'll use at a later stage. Yeah. Lastly, through your keyboard, what you need to do is, let me open the on-screen keyboard. I have this on-screen keyboard. Let me make it a smaller. Okay. What I can do is, you need to click on the F1 key. If I click on the F1 key, let me go here. If I click on the F1 key, it will automatically open the help. So if you are in Excel, yeah, can see the help has opened. I can go wherever I want, where I need to get a help on. Okay. Just close this window. Yeah. So what I need to do is straight away, if I do not know anything where I have to go for, or if I need help on anything, that is my usual way of doing it, is I just press the F1 key and I start typing on the help that I need. So I need help on lookup. Yeah. So you can see here I got a lookup function which I can go and check whether I want lookup, VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, whatever I want. Yeah. So the keyboard shortcut that you can have to get to help in Excel is the function key F1. Hope I was able to make things clear and I was able to show you the various methods or ways in which you can get help in Excel. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Do comment if you want to cover certain concepts in my future videos during this 365 days. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you like to get this 365 days of videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.